The DONOW Smith Machine Home Gym System combines a full power cage, guided bar, and dual cable setup so you can perform most barbell and functional exercises in one compact footprint. Its integrated steel weight stacks with a 1-to-1 resistance ratio deliver smooth, consistent tension that feels closer to commercial gym equipment than typical home setups. The added adjustable lap pull-down bench and rotating landmine station open up a wide range of back, core, and rotational movements without needing extra standalone machines. Dual independent cable columns with multiple attachment options make it easy to switch between isolation work, athletic-style training, and traditional strength exercises. Sturdy guide rods, wide safety catches, a padded bar, and a textured foot platform help the machine feel secure and comfortable, even during heavier or more technical lifts. Clear assembly support and included replacement coverage reduce the headache of building and maintaining such a complex all-in-one system at home.